My husband and I co-founded a nonprofit called Child Freedom Coalition, where we help support the rescue of children from different types of human trafficking in South Asia. And the first order of business is trying to get them back safely with their families if they are able to, but if they can't, then when they come to live at our children's home, where they are given spiritual nurture, medical care, education for the first time in their lives, and when they're of age, they go through our vocational training program where they can choose a vocational of their choice, and then they can be launched into their communities to be future leaders and disciples of men. So I was wondering how I could merge my passions for real estate and for helping those that have been in human trafficking. So I created what's called More Than a Home, where different professionals in the home buying industry can join together to help make a difference in the anti-human trafficking. So why choose me as your real estate professional? I feel like I am super passionate about my clients. I love to create relationships. I partner with you from the very beginning to the end, and I just love what I do. And also, a portion of my proceeds of my real estate transaction will go to help those that have been trafficked.